So you want to be a software developer, or you want to take your current software development job to the next level. You reached the right YouTube channel. I'm Rod, the IT guy, and I want to help you take your career to the next level and learn the code so that you can get that dream job. But I need you to hit that subscribe button so that you can get the best content available. This is really going to put you guys in a position to get that job you want, make 6 figures as fast as possible without having this complex code and being confused. So hit that button below. If you guys want to know more about me, I keep it simple. I get straight to the point. I don't overly complicate things. And plus, we're gonna have some fun, guys. We got a great community of people. We want to really help you guys take your career to the next level, have a little fun, have some meetup, have community, all that good stuff. But you have to join the channel and actually just take in the content so that you can get that job. So go ahead and click that little button below, that little red button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.